You all, it's really important to update your Facebook account link, and here's how you can do it. First, you can go to your Facebook and you will see your Facebook URL right here. For example, for me, it's facebook.com/dailypaysite. And you need to copy this link. Now you need to go back to your OLSP system and click on this profile button on the top right here, okay? And now you can paste your Facebook account link right here. After that, you can scroll down and hit save right here at the bottom right, okay? And I will do another version on mobile. This is how you can do it on your mobile phone. So first, you can go to your Facebook profile and tap on these three dots right here. And just scroll down to the bottom and you will see your profile link at the end. Just copy your profile link. And now go back to your OLSP system and remove this pop-up. And you will see this is your profile setting. And now just scroll down. Now you can just add your Facebook account link here. After that, you scroll down to the bottom and you hit save. And that's everything, guys. It's really important to help me to update your Facebook profile link in your OLSP system so I can get confirmation from anyone who joined through your link. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.